seniors get a lot of nosebleeds in the wintertime also. Well, why is that? I'm glad you asked. Boy, you guys, I tell you, that Body and Balance audience of mine, you guys are so on top of it. And you ask the most exciting questions that gets me hyped so that I can give you the right answer for what to do. Well, those seniors that are on blood thinners like aspirin and Plavix, and there are others that are out there. Brilio, there's a lot of other ones that are out there that can cause the blood to thin. They're supposed to. Those people that have cardiac problems and like atrial flutter, atrial fib, those type things, clotting disorders, you will end up having to, or you've had a heart attack and have blood clots. You will have to take a blood thinner. Because you have to take a blood thinner, it causes your blood to be thin. Duh. And so when your blood is thin and your mucosa in your nose is dry, then it will break the mucosa. When the mucosa breaks, you bleed. And it's harder for you all to stop bleeding. So I want to give you a little trick. During the holiday seasons, well, kind of any season, nobody wants to go to the ER. So I'm going to give you a little trick. There's some stuff called Afrin, 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 or it's called oxymethylazone. Oxymethylazone. The generic name for it is oxymethylazone. You want to look for that because oxymethylazone is cheaper than the name brand aspirin, not aspirin, but Afrin, which makes sense. So you take a bottle of that when you start to get a nosebleed. And there are these cute little ice cubes that are disposable that you can buy. My son showed me those. I thought it was pretty cool. So right now, what I'm going to do is demonstrate what you do. This is what I, as an ENTPA, teach my patients to do and tell them to do when there's a nosebleed so that you don't have to go to the ER. Because a lot of times a nosebleed will last about 2 to 3 minutes and they'll stop. Sometimes it's just a few seconds or you'll get trace blood. That's not a bad nosebleed. A 5-minute nosebleed isn't bad. But when they get to be 45 minutes and you've got towels and pillowcases that you're using to try to stop and it won't stop, then I want you to try this trick.